Hey YouTube, this is your girl Beginning New. I just wanted to do a small update, letting you know that I got my hair rebraided Saturday, which I believe was the 4th or the 3rd, yeah, the 3rd of December 2011. Let me show you guys. Let's see. It's just some individual box braids. Let me show you. She got really close to the root there, so I like that because when I start getting new growth, I can kind of measure how much I got. But what I want to come over here and say is that I'm doing a box braid challenge. I'm going to try to keep braids in my hair for, let's see, I'm going to say I left them in 3 months before I put these in. So, well, actually it was about 2 months and 2 weeks. So I'm going to keep these in for at least, I'm going to try for 3 months, but if not, it'll be 2.5 months like before. I'm going for, since I did about 3 months already, and I'll do another 3, that'll be 6. Let's say 9 months for now. I might go longer than that and do, a full year, but this is my second set of braids. Before I had got braids, it was I got them done on September the 15th, and I took them down sometime last week, I think Thursday. And what I'm going to be putting in my hair for this challenge is I purchased some MTG, some mane telling groom. I know you guys heard about the famous MTG. And what I did was I mixed it with, this actually I already had oils in it. It had peppermint oil, grapeseed oil, castor oil, and had this African hot 6 oil, and a little bit of water, and then some of this. Let's see how much I use. You can see it from here. It stinks. But I'm going to put that on my scalp only. I just did that for the first time. I put it on my scalp. Oh, 1 second. Keep it in your room. I'll be in a minute. But yeah, that's what I'm going to put on my scalp only. So this bottle was only for my scalp, and I just like spray it everywhere like this and kind of let it drip wherever on my scalp. But I did that everywhere on my scalp. And for the braids itself, I just have another separate bottle where I put half water, a little less than half Infusium. I'll switch between this one. I'm almost out of this one. I'll switch between that one and the original, this one. What else was in that bottle? That, water, and just a little bit of this. It's like 2 squirts, and I shook it up, and that's what I spray on the braids itself. Not so that they're soaking wet, but so that they get water. And I plan on doing that at least twice a day, but for sure at least once a day on the braids, not my scalp, but the braids. And I'm going to see how much growth I get with this MTG. I used MTG a few years ago. Well, that was quite a while ago. That was before my daughter was born, so that was like 4 or 5 years ago. And I was perm back then, so I can't really remember if I got, or I know I got growth, I just don't know how much, and I wasn't really focused on how much or hair care back then, so I don't know. But that is my goal, that's my regimen, so like I said again, I'll use this oil mixture with the MTG for scalp. I'll do that since it stinks. I'm gonna get some oh yeah, I'm gonna add some coconut oil in here when I purchase some extra virgin unrefined coconut oil, and the essential oil to give it some smell. But I gotta get that today, so, and I'll mix that in here. We'll see, to give it some smell. But I'll be using this on my scalp. I'm gonna say every other day, and then I'll spray this on my braids, my mixture, which is Infusium 23, a little herbal essence conditioner and water. That's all this is. I'll spray it on my braids. I'm going for 2 times a day, but definitely once a day on my braids. And I'll keep these braids in, hopefully, for 3 months. And I'll give you guys another shot so you can see now how close the braids are to my scalp. They're still tight. They're extremely close, so when I get new growth, you'll definitely be able to tell and see the difference. I don't know if you guys can see this part or not, but that's about it. That's all I wanted, and yeah, that's all I wanted. If you guys have any comments or questions, go ahead and leave them below, and I'll answer them. And I want to say thanks for the subscribers I have. I don't have many, but I appreciate the ones I have. Thank you guys for watching. I know I'm kind of boring, but I don't know. I'll try. I'll try to do some different things, I guess. But this channel was mainly just for hair anyway, or my natural hair, so that I can see the progress, or I'll have a record of from the beginning. But yeah, other than that, you guys have a great day. Have a great holiday, and happy growing.